Hey everyone, today I want to discuss one stock with you all. This is Tata Motors and this is a daily time frame. If you look at this stock, it has been in a bear trend for very long. It fell from almost 1200 to 550 here. Whenever a stock is in a bear trend, it cannot just straight away go up. The first step for the stock is to break above the bear trend line, then have a pullback and create some kind of a major trend reversal setup before it gets a big swing up. Let me explain you with lines and patterns here. This stock here has been in a spike, pullback, and a channel bear trend. If you see, we clearly broke above this bear trend line. This was a bear trend line here. The bulls were able to break out above this bear trend line here. The bulls were able to put so many bars here. This is a moving average line. And the bulls have been able to put so many bars above the moving average. That is a clear sign of strength. I do not look to buy somewhere in this zone. I do not look to buy after there is a bull breakout of the bear trend line. I usually look to buy after there is a pullback. And if the pullback is weak, if the sell-off is weak, and if there is any some kind of a major trend reversal setup, some kind of a pattern, some kind of a bottom, I look to buy that for a possible swing up. If you look at the sell-off here, it is quite weak. We have had a tight trading range here. We have a lot of dojis and tight trading ranges here. If you look at this sell-off here, bear bar and a bull bar, bear bar and another bull bar, another big bear breakout bar, another big bull breakout buyer, bull buyer. So the Bears are clearly disappointed with the follow-throughs here. They have not been able to generate consecutive bear bars, big bear bars closing at the lows. The sell-off is clearly not strong here. It is also a kind of a parabolic wedge bottom here. One push, second push, and a third push here. And also a nested wedge bottom if you take this low or if you take this low with this low. One, two, and three pushes here. One, two, and three pushes here. One push, pull back, two push, pull back, and a third push here. It is also a lower low double bottom with this swing low here. This rally here tested the bear trend line, had a pullback, but the pullback was not deep enough. The pullback did not have enough bars to create a major trend reversal up. So the market, the bulls wanted the test of this low before they had some kind of a reversal up, which is what we got here. We have a low low double bottom with this swing low. We have multiple wedge bottoms here. If you, different ways to draw, there's different computers will use different lows. The point is, after three pushes down, the market usually reverses up for at least 10 bars and two legs. Here, after this week, after this strong bear trend and a bull breakout, a weak sell-off, this is a major trend reversal setup here, high-low major trend reversal setup. Also, if you look at this three bars here, this is a OO pattern. This bar is above, went above the high of this bar, then went below. This bar, today's bar, went below the low of this bar and then reversed up. Bulls who bought above the high of this bar got trapped by this bear buyer. Bears who sold below the low of this bar got trapped by this big bull buyer. So now we have trapped bulls and trapped bears. That is usually breakout mode situation. And this buyer with close near its high is a reasonable swing long. So this will be a great buy above the high of this bar. Once we go above the high of this bar, 655, that will trigger the buy tomorrow. And whenever you do take a major trend reversal setup, a swing long, you have to target at least 1:2. You could either keep your stop below the low of this bar, below the low of the day today, which is 627, or you could use a wider stop somewhere below this swing low, 621. If it was me, I would use a tighter stop below the low of this bar, or maybe a few points below, not much. If this is the low of this is 627, I would use a stop maximum around 620, 615 here. Even if we do go below this low, I will be expecting buyers here. So I will keep my stop a few points below the low of this bar, around 620. The market should at minimum approach around this high. So how do you trade now if you do get long tomorrow? If the reversal up is weak, I will exit somewhere around this swing high, around this target here, 710. But if the reversal is strong, I will expect a strong bull breakout. If the reversal up is strong with strong bull bars, strong bars closing near its high, big bars, I'll expect a measure move up all the way till 786 or even a breakout above this high and a measure move up all the way till 860. So if we get a bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, that will be a weak rally. And in that case, the market is going to remain in a trading range and we might get sellers somewhere around the swing high. But if the rally is strong, the market is not going to respect this resistance or this resistance. We might just break out above and enter a bull trend and rally all the way till 860. So yeah, interesting stock, O pattern, wedge bottom, low low double bottom, high low major trend reversal pattern, a very high probability buy this. So if you do trigger the buy tomorrow, I would recommend you all to buy. That's it. Thanks for everyone for watching.